In section 7.6, we will learn that we can differentiate or repeat the differentiation to find a second derivative. In page 126, we can read, you can repeat the process of differentiation to give a second order derivative. A second order derivative is written as d square y by dx square, or f double prime of x using the function notation. Then the double or the second derivative is the derivation for the first derivative. Let's do example 10 on the same page to find out what do we mean. Given that y equal 3x to the power 5 plus 4 over x squared, find a dy by dx and in part b the second derivative. Let's find the first derivative first. For this purpose, we are going to take y, that is 3x to the power 5 plus 4 over x squared, but we will write it in a polynomial form. So it's equal to 3x to the power 5 minus 4 multiplied by x to the power minus 2. Then now let's do differentiation. For the first term, it's 3 multiplied by 5 the power multiplied by x, and we reduce 1 from the power. Similarly, plus 4 multiplied by the power that is minus 2 multiplied by x, and we reduce from the x power minus 1. Then we get 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, x to the power 4 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is minus 8 multiplied by x to the power minus 3. Thus now we found the first derivative. Let's find the second derivative, d2y by dx squared. Or in another word, we are going to find the derivative for the first derivative. We can say it's d by dx for dy by dx that we already found. Let's differentiate again the first answer. So we get 15 multiplied by 4 the power multiplied by x, and we reduce 1 from the x power, that is 3. Then minus 8 multiplied by the power that is minus 3, and we reduce from x power 1, so it becomes minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Therefore this is equal to 15 multiplied by 4 is 60x to the power 3 minus 8 minus 3 is plus 24 multiplied by x to the power minus 4. We can rewrite both answers so we get it in the same form as the original y, and this is by doing the reciprocal when we have the negative exponent. So dy by dx is 15x power 4 minus 8 over x power 3, and for d2y by dx squared the answer is 60x cubed plus 24 over x4. As you can see, the second derivative means that we are going to derive the result from the first derivative.